In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to view your tax report on Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Once from here, it should bring something like this once you get inside of your dashboard. Now from here you'll need to go down to the left hand corner and go over to the menu and then scroll down until you see the settings page right here. Once from here you'll be able to see this page right here where you'll need to head over to your account where you can change your account credentials and secure it, but also view your tax report. Once from here you'll simply need to click on it like so. And once from here you'll simply need to scroll down until you see the documents page. And once from here you'll see the documents page right here where you can see your account statement, stock lending activity reports, ETM free statement, and lastly tax report. Once from here you'll simply need to click view like so, and as you can see right here, your documents for your tax reports will be visible inside of here that you can download and then view like you normally view a tax report. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!